Hello everyone, I am Walt. Welcome to our 16th principle of this can't talk sometimes, of this life hack series, 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. Anyway, we're here with our 16th principle, and this one is to stop procrastinating and do something. Okay, I think this is something a lot of people suffer from, procrastination. It's definitely something that a lot of people deal with, and different people have different methods, and overall this is just good advice because a lot of the times we're basically only procrastinating because we're afraid. As I've said in previous videos, there are only two basic states of mind. They're either love or they're fear, okay? And basically everything stems back to those, but I have tens of videos on that topic. So really, what this is just about is that when we're procrastinating, it's because we're afraid. It's usually because we are suffering from perfectionism, one of the worst kind of enemies, or, one of the worst kind of helpers of fear. And just perfectionism gets us because we feel like, oh, if I can't do it perfectly, it's not worth doing it all. So we go out and we try to do things. They could be assignments, they could be tasks, they could be projects we've always wanted to do, they could be work that we find important. They can be all these kinds of things that are usually things we desire, things that are important to us, and then we just start putting them off. And the reason we put them off is because we're afraid we're not going to do them well enough. And a lot of procrastination just stems from that idea of, I'm not going to do this well enough, I can't do this, this won't work. And really that's just, as I would say, basically, when you realize that this is just perfectionism, that you feel like you have to do it perfectly, it's like, you know what? I don't care. I'm just gonna do it, I'm gonna give it a shot. If you haven't seen my video on anything that's worth doing is worth doing badly, that one's worth checking out for sure. I mean, because it kind of gets to the root of the problem here, that if you go out and you just try to do something and you fail at it, it's not actually that bad, okay? And if you don't do anything at all, you basically end up failing by default. So not procrastinating is always a good idea. Just giving it a shot, even if you feel like, I'm so afraid, I can't do this. As long as it's not going to kill you here, go give it a shot. Live, learn, love, laugh kind of idea. And yeah, you'll end up happier if you try to push procrastination out of your life as much as possible. You're not going to do it perfectly, but you don't need to, Give it a shot. It'll all work out well enough anyway. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.